minutes after I unrolled from the molders. So here are my new batch of bar soap that I'm gonna make today, December 21st, Saturday. So these are the ingredients: turmeric, lemon zest, grapefruit zest, olive oil, dandelion flowers, and without cloves. So because the person who wants to order it, no cloves because she has allergy of cloves, so I have to make a new batch. So vitamin E, lavender, and orange oil. And also I'm gonna use lemon oil because I'm using a lemon zest. So here you go. You have to close this. And then put the steam here. So it's gonna be 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's gonna be boiling hot and it's all melted. And here are my molders. So I mixed already all my powder ingredients. So this has bay leaf, turmeric, lemon zest, grapefruit zest, and also dandelion flowers and arrowroot. And I'm gonna mix also some cardamom. One here is honey. I have to melted it with hot water. So I'm gonna use a distilled water. Make it hot to mix with honey because this honey is unpasteurized and organic. So it has to be melted before adding to the melt in for soap base. Here you go, the cardamom. We're gonna add some cardamom here. And mix it well with other powder ingredients. So we have a papaya fruit powder here. These are the freeze-dried and pineapple powder. So we're gonna add also this. It's all fruits and it's so yummy, but we cannot eat this because it's gonna be a soap bar for shower and bathing. So that's the color of freeze-dried pineapple powder. It's a fruit. And this is the papaya powder fruit. Freeze-dried also. So this is natural dried. And all the nutrients are still here. So these are all the ingredients of my papaya dandelion bar soap. So now let's check if it's melted already. I think it's melted already. So we're gonna add the glycerin. Yeah, it's melted already. It's a shea butter soap base, guys. And now, because it's melted already, we're gonna add all the mix powders. And stir constantly. So all the powders are mixed already. So we're gonna add the honey. Then mix well again, and then we're gonna add the infused dandelion oil or to the olive oil. And we have to cool it down. Then after it's cool it down, we have to add the lavender essential oils, vitamin E, and sweet orange essential oil and lemon essential oil. It's optional, the lemon essential oil or the sweet orange essential oil. So it's up to you guys what essential oil you want, but I like the lavender and the lemon essential oil and sweet orange essential oil. So let's it cool down for maybe 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's gonna be cooled down, and then we can add all the oils, the essential oils. So here are the color. It's become golden glow yellow color after mixing all the ingredients. So now we have to spray with alcohol the molder. And then now we're gonna add the essential oils and vitamin E. So I'm gonna add first the vitamin E. Then the sweet orange essential oils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is vitamin E as well. So I'm gonna add the lavender. And then we have to stir it. alcohol, it's easy to dry up, so this is 7.5 pounds soap base. I use it. It's shea butter soap base. Ingredients: papaya, dandelion, pineapple fruit, papaya fruit, lemon zest, lemon essential or orange essential, vitamin E, bay leaf, cardamom, turmeric. What else? I'm trying to remember everything, guys, but yeah, the turmeric, cardamom, only except cloves. So this is no cloves ingredients because the person who ordered has a cloves allergy. So mix it well. When it's mixed it well, we can pour on the molder. So we're gonna start pouring it before it's dried up or it's become hirap. May sugat kasi tong kamay ko eh. Madulas, guys, madulas ang aking kamay. pouring, we have to spray again alcohol. So, spraying alcohol after pouring to the molders is to avoid creating bubbles. So, that's it, guys. We're gonna leave this until it's dried or until it's cooled down the heat. Then, after 4 hours to 6 hours, it's ready to unmold. So, I'm gonna take a video again when I am molding it. Hey, guys. Now, it's after 5 hours already because it's midnight here. So here you go. It's totally dried, guys, after 5 hours. See, guys, oh. It's so beautiful. The Dandelion Papaya Herbal Soap without cloves. So this one, no cloves. Special order to a person that has a allergy of cloves. Smells so good because I put more lavender on it. I like the smell of lavender. It's like calming, guys. So let's put in there. See, it's clear. I have to trim the excess area, guys. It's nice. And this is the bells. Nagkaroon siya, guys, ng design. Oh. Yung mga kinuskus ko sa kaldero, ayan na. Oh. Ayan ang aking rhino na may anak. Ayan, another rhino. Uy, ang ganda ng aking bees. Ang linaw ng kulay, guys. So I didn't put cloves on it, kaya medyo malinaw. Sarap ng amoy. Ay, ang sarap kainin. Parang ang sarap kainin, guys. Ayan o. Ang gaganda. Ayan o. You might gonna ask me why I'm wearing gloves only on one of my hand. Because, you know, guys, I have cuts here. So, I'm holding the bar soap and I remove already the band-aid. That's why I'm wearing the gloves, so it doesn't affect to the... Uy, ang ganda na aking dolphin. So my dolphins is so beautiful. At ang aking mga flowers, ang gaganda, oh. Wow, so beautiful ng aking mga flowers. Naghilamos na ako, guys. I just wash my face and I use my bar soap. So, I'm doing it before I'm going to sleep, guys. Look, guys. Yung nagkaroon siya ng uka-uka kasi gawa ng ng bubbles. Ayan oh, ganda oh. See, it's so beautiful guys, the flower design oh. I couldn't go to my cleaning services guys because of my cut fingers. Like few people asking me already for to come to do the cleaning services. Another bells. I'm doing that as a part-time job. So since I come back here in Canada, my cleaning services people, they asking me, I did already once 8 hours cleaning guys. Ganda. I like this. I like this design guys, and also the fairy. This is my favorite design, and also the elephant. Here you go, the elephant. Yay! The elephant, my elephant. Oh, di ba guys, ang ganda ng elephant ko oh. This is my favorite design. Oh. 2 elephant, diba? Galing, oh. Tsaka itong mga butterfly ko, oh. Ito, flowers. Yan. Oh, different flowers design, guys. Sunflower, chrysanthemum, or whatever. Ayan, ang ganda ng bees. I love the bees design, guys. It's so beautiful. Yung bees na dumapo sa flower. So, dapat pala ganyan siya, o, diba? At ito, bees na may honeycomb. Ayan, o. So guys, oh, the bees, oh, diba? Ganda. Ito, ikakat ko pa yan siya, guys. So, ina-unmold ko muna siya bago ko ikat lahat. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Itong magaganda. Ito ang favorite ko. Itong mapipino ang flowers. I love these. See guys, ah. Ooh, oh, diba? May butterfly at may dragonfly, oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Bango, sarap ng amoy. Ang sarap amoyin talaga. Very calming. Ilalagay ko to sa tabi ng unan ko para makatulong sa akin ng maayos sa pagtulog. Oh, ayan siya pag nakaganyan, at pag binaliktad mo naman, ayan na oh. Diba ang ganda oh, butterfly and dragonfly. Diba? There you go guys. After I unmold from the molders, here are all the beautiful design that I have for today. Papaya dandelion herbal soap, no cloves. So I remove only the cloves ingredients because the person who gonna order has a clove allergy. So when you flip over, that's the color. See? So those are the beautiful flowers. Ayan ang aking beautiful fairy at ang aking baby angel, ang aking 2 bells, at ang aking elephant and rhino design, the lady that Smelling the flowers, only one dolphin design. Ayan na. It's beautiful. Ang aking dolphin, oh. Ganda, diba, oh? May mata pa yan, oh. May mata ang aking dolphin. Natutuwa lang ako sa aking mga design. Ayan, oh. May butterfly design. At saka may dragonfly. Asan yung dragonfly ko? Hindi ko makita. Ayun. Ayun yung dragonfly, oh. Ayan, yung dragonfly. Diba? Galing.